Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing my top box versus top box, and you can see the difference in them. So this one is mine, so this one's got my name on it and this one's got the other name on it. So as a recap, my box, I said that I had Latina-like skin, combination skin, aging, I had olive skin, my hair was frizzy with split ends, I liked trendy makeup. And then for this one, I said that I was Caucasian and I had dry skin with acne. My hair was light and dull and I had dandruff and it was chemically damaged. And then I liked classic makeup for this one. So let's see if they are different. Before we jump into what's in the actual top boxes, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell so you're getting the notifications of when my upcoming videos are coming out. If you guys are new, welcome to my channel and thanks for joining me. And if you are not new, welcome back and I really appreciate you being here again. All right, let's just jump right into my top box versus top box. Let's do this one first because it's bigger. So this one is mine. And the reason why, other than the name on it, that I know is because I always get the cylinder for mine and then I get the bag for the other one. Let's just dive right into this. So on my thing, there is a Chatter's coupon and this is for the Nioxin. So that leads me to believe there is a Nioxin product in this little bag here. So let's see. Okay. All right. So I was right. So the first thing in here is an instant fullness dry shampoo from Nioxin. And for any of you guys that are out there that don't know what Nioxin is, it is a product to help when you are losing your hair. So there's shampoos and conditioners and hair treatments and things like that. And it helps with when you're prematurely balding or your hair is kind of coming out. It makes your hair fuller and it helps the follicles grow better. So just a little science on that one. So this is the dry volumizing dry shampoo. So let's take a sniff at this one. I've actually not used this before. It doesn't really, it has a tiny bit of a clean scent, but it actually smells really good. So I would actually probably use this. I don't really like dry shampoos because it kind of makes my head itch, but I will try this one. I do like Nioxin products. All right, let's see what else is in here. And up next is this from Cougar. And this is called the Perfect Pout. Volume and shape define. Apply to lips. Okay, let's see what it is. Oh, it looks like a lip gloss. Let's see. Oh yeah, so it looks like one of these. I'm just going to do a swatch. It is clear. It smells medicated. It smells like those lip things when you have really dry lips. It has maybe a pepperminty smell. Oh, that is probably what makes your lips probably fuller. I don't know if I would wear this. It's very sticky, which I don't really like glosses that are sticky. Okay, and then up next is this. This is Cake's Heavy Cream, Hand Cream, and this is in the scent Rich Vanilla Shea Butter, so that's what that looks like. Let's just, oh my gosh, this is hard to get out. I'm just going to put a little bit on here because it's really, really thick. Oh, it smells really nice. Ooh, I like it. It's very heavy though. I feel like that would be, that's good for like days where I'm not actually working. Nice and heavy on my skin. And there's one more item left in my top box this month, and this is the Glam Glow Water Bust, I think it's called. It's a hydrating moisture from Glam Glow, and let's take a look at this. So this is what it looks like here. Oh, it smells really good. I'm not going to test that out because I just put some cream on my hands, which was in hindsight pretty dumb. But anyway, but I have heard really good things about this and I really love the little container. So that's cute. So let's move on to bag number 2. This bag smells differently. Oh, I can see why. Okay, so this bag looks like this. And again, there's this is not Nioxin. Oh, this is a different coupon. So in here is the Nova Scotia Fisherman thing. And that's, if you want to buy something, that's the code right there. So there is another Nioxin, so that is the dry shampoo. So that is the same thing. And I'm looking at this box and they have another one of these. So I'm not going to test it out. Let's just make sure it's the same one. Yep. So it's the same clear. It's not colored or anything. So, and then in here, there is this here, which is the Nova Scotia Fisherman's Friend Forest Charcoal Soap. It smells like charcoal. And I think this is a body soap and not like a face soap. This is made with powerful Nova Scotia sea kelp, so it smells really good. I will give that a try. And then the last thing in this one, I did not get another Glam Glow, which saddens me a little bit, but I did get one of these, and these is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. So I have gotten quite a few of these, and these are perfect for going on vacation because, like, if I go for a couple of days, that's all I need really so I love those. So that is what I got in my 2 top boxes, and 2 of the items were the same and then 2 of them were not, which is totally okay. I got quite a bit of cream in this one. So there's a face cream and a hand cream in this one, and then this one was a soap and a primer, which was okay. Stay tuned for February to see if they're the same or they're not. If they continue to be quite similar, I might just cancel the one, but we'll see. I am going to give them the benefit of the doubt, and maybe they just thought that that would work for both of us, both people. Alright, but anyway. Alright, so that was everything in my top box versus top box. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!